Good morning, students. I am going to teach EVS of class 3, chapter 6, Foods We Eat. And the topic is sources and types of food. The competencies are observation, identification, and discovery of facts. And in this lesson, you will know about the main sources of food and the different types of food based on their functions. The students, we eat different type of foods like chapati, rice, dal, curry, meat, eggs, sweets, etc. Now tell me, from where do we get the food? We get foods mainly from plants and animals. The main sources of foods are plants and animals. From different types of plants, we get different types of food. Also, we get different types of food from the animals like cow, goat, hen, camel, buffalo, and fish. Now, you will know what are the foods we get from the plants and the foods obtained from the animals. What do you see in this picture? These are cereals. Can you tell me from where do we get the cereals? We get the cereals from the plants. Now you can see the picture of fruits. Can you tell me from where do we get these fruits? We get the fruits from the plants. Now identify the picture. In this picture there are many types of pulses. Can you tell me from where do we get the pulses? We get the pulses from the plants. Now you can see different types of vegetables in this picture. We also get the vegetables from the plants. We get all these things from the plants. Fruits, cereals, pulses, and vegetables. We all get these from the plants. So, plants give us cereals, pulses, vegetables, and fruits. Now, look at this picture and tell me from where do we get meat? We get meat from the animals. What do you see in this picture? You can see eggs in the picture. Can you tell me what is the shape of an egg? Yes, the shape of an egg is oval. From where do we get the eggs? We get the eggs from the animals like hens and duck. What do you see in this picture? Milk. Do you like to drink milk? Can you tell me from where do we get milk? We get it from the animals like cow, buffalo, goat, camel, etc. Now you can see fishes or fish in this picture. Also we get fish from the animals. What do you see in this picture? In this picture, you can see honey, which is very tasty and sweet in taste. From where do we get honey? We get honey from the honeybee. So, what are the different types of foods we get from the animals? Fish, honey, meat, milk, and eggs. Dear students, can you tell me why do we eat food? We eat food because food gives us energy to work, play, run, dance, etc. Foods help us to grow well and build our muscles. Foods protect us from falling ill and fight against diseases. Dear students, can you tell me what will happen if we do not eat food? Yes, if we do not eat food, we will not get energy to work. Our growth and development will be hampered. Also, we may fall sick. So, foods based on their functions are of three types. First one is energy giving food, which gives us energy to work. Body building food helps to grow and build our muscles. Protective food protects us from falling ill and fight against diseases. Let us know the function of a food and the type of food they belongs to. In this picture, you can see wheat, rice, maize, etc., which are called cereals, and the cereals gives us energy to work. So, the cereals belongs to what type of food? It is a energy giving food. Now, you can see pulses. The pulses helps to build our body. Also, it helps to grow our body. Now, you can see pulses in this picture. There are different types of. Now, you can see pulses in this picture. The pulses help us to grow our body. So, the pulses are belongs to bodybuilding food. Now, you can see the vegetables. Can you tell me what type of food it is? Whether it is a bodybuilding, energy giving, or protective food? It is a protective food. Now, you can see different types of fruits in this picture. Now, tell me what type of food it is? It is a protective food. Now, you can see meat and milk. They are bodybuilding food. Now, let us know what are the foods which gives us energy or the energy giving food. Cereals, butter, potatoes, sugar, and sweets. Bodybuilding food, meat, pulses, eggs, fish, milk, and peas. Protective food, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. Now, come to the evaluation part. Choose the correct answers. Rice, chapati and potatoes are examples of energy giving, protective food, bodybuilding food, none of the above. The right answer is energy giving food. Which of the following is an example of protective food? Fruits and vegetables, meat, bread, and rice. The right answer is fruits and vegetables are the examples of protective food. What do we get from the foods to work and play? Energy, disease, happy, none of the above. The right answer is energy. We get energy from the foods to work and play. Meat is an example of food. Energy giving food, protective food, bodybuilding food, none of the above. The right answer is bodybuilding food. Helps us to fight against diseases. Energy giving food, protective food, bodybuilding food, none of the above. The right answer is protective food. Thank you.